Alright YouTube, so I got these straps made by Gator Upholstery here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. It had these straps on it. We cut one off so we could actually make a copy, but the driver's side was starting to fray and get shitty looking. So we're going to install these onto the az1. So first, you're going to get up in here. We're going to pop these little caps out and you just kind of stick your screwdriver in them and try not to fuck everything up. There it goes, pops right out. And this is a little tool from Toyota. Made in Japan though, it's working great. And then you take off the Phillips head. Might have enough space to squeeze it in there. I'm going to put the button in, I think. Squeeze it in. Bam. Nice shiny red strap. I know it's not the original color or anything, but the car is red. Seats are red. I thought it'd be a nice little accent. Have the red straps. That back in. This cap back on. And that looks awesome. Yeah. Then we'll do the other side. Where's the other strap? Oh, here you go, the other side. See, this strap was getting funky, and I want to go to the car show. I want to go to Cars and Coffee this Sunday, and I want some nice straps on there when I'm there. Still got to do some clean up in this thing. I guess I'll go with this one here. Come on. There it goes. Oh, don't lose that. Got it. Button in. Boom, like new. And that's how you install brand new straps. Yeah. Make sure you guys hit like and subscribe, share, whatever. Peace.